Dear Gemini, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your monthly reading. This will be for the month of January, and of course, this will be a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Please take the messages that resonate with you and leave the rest. And please check your placements before watching the reading. This is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If your message does not lie in this reading, then it might be in some other placement of yours. So it is very important for you to check your placements. Okay, be mindful and please check your placements. All right. So we'll begin, and also if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. All right. So let's begin and let's get going and check your this one. We'll check your, first of all, we'll check your love for this month. Apologies for the delay. I have been a little occupied lately, and let's begin. So Gemini, what is coming towards you in love for the month of January? Let's see what is coming towards you in love for the month of January. What is coming towards you in love for the month of January? Let's find out. What is coming towards you in love, Gemini, for the month of January? Let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, someone from the past is returning back. Okay. Someone who was clearly ignoring you in the past, and this person is from the past only. This person has been clearly ignoring you, and this person will come back, make a comeback soon, just to, I don't know why. Let's see why are they coming back. They were ignoring you in the past. Why are they coming back? Let's see. Let's find out. Okay, so they feel burdened somehow regarding some family issue. Maybe they wanted to have a family with you, and earlier they made a decision to ignore you, to move ahead without you maybe, but now they want to change their decision. I don't know what happened suddenly, and they want to like change make a big change in their life somehow. That is what they want to do. Okay, so here they are basically thinking over their decision, mulling over their decision again, where they thought of leaving you behind, and now they want to come back to you because they want to build a family with you. They are not able to do without you. Actually, they are feeling burdened, they're feeling stuck in the situation somehow. All right, let's see what about any, this is in general. So someone from the past is returning back. I just told you that. Now if you have any specific person in mind, let's see what will be their energy towards you in the month of Jan. What will be their energy towards you in the month of Jan, Gemini? Any specific person in your mind? Let's see their energy towards you in the month of Jan. Okay, Wheel of Fortune and the Tower. So basically, their energy will be very different this month. I mean, maybe you had a fallout with them earlier, and now the wheel is turning in your favor. Suddenly, there will be a turnaround of situation. That is, it has completely collapsed or ended between you two. Now there is a chance of rebirth in the situation. That is, things will get back to normal or get back to how they were in the past. The tower will come back up. This person has been waiting for you, heavily waiting for you. Why is the tower here? Let's clarify. Why is the tower here? Okay, so basically they felt like the commitment between you two was on a juggling phase. There was no actual commitment between you two. You kept juggling and you kept on juggling, or they kept on juggling. They were not sure about you, but now they are sure. Because of this, the things had collapsed between you two in the past because of commitment issues or on and off in the situation maybe, and now there will be a re, re rebuild of the entire scenario between you two. Rebuild is like The structure will be built again, the foundations will be established again, like how it was in the past. Strange. And the universe is actually acting in this, in your favor for this. It will somehow create such scenario in your life that things will uh, by itself come back to life again. Whatever had collapsed, it will come back to life again on its own. The universe will create such situations for you without you making much efforts. All right. Any new person coming towards you, Gemini? Is there any new person coming towards you, Gemini? Is there any new person coming towards you, Gemini? Let's see. Is there any new person coming towards you, Gemini? Let's find out. In the month of Jan. Okay. Okay, someone you had released is coming back. It's heavily in your energy. I don't know what's happening, even for the person, specific, general, and whatever. Someone you had released from your energy is going to return back. I don't see any new person there at all. And this person is like very defensive also towards you. Maybe you will put on certain allegations on them or whatever, so they feel that they have to like defend themselves, and they're very hurt also. I don't know why. So I'll check, why are they returning, why is this person returning? Why is this person returning? Let's see. Okay, because they are not able to find happiness on their own. And they have tried really, really hard to be happy on their own, but they failed miserably. That is what I feel. And so, they're stuck on you, they're stuck mentally on you, and they acted cold and detached in the past towards you. Okay, they were trying, they have ended up having no emotions actually. You were the one who made them feel things. You were the one who actually made them happy, gave them emotions, gave them love. But now, once they're alone or left you behind, they feel that they are like an emotionless robot or something. That is what they feel. That's why they're coming towards you. Okay. Okay, and they're obsessed beyond words. I mean, their obsession has also caused them to lose out on the feelings. I mean, their obsession has been such that over time it has made them like, how do you name it? I mean, they're just nuts over you. In a way, they've lost all their mind on you, and that's why they feel like it's becoming out of their control. They have lost control over the situation, absolutely, and they are madly in love with you. They cannot imagine life without you. They cannot think clearly without you. You make them very, very happy. You give them the happiness whenever they're around you. I mean, they are not able to fill their cup themselves. Absolutely not. Mind blowing. So, here we will quickly check your guidance in the situation for love. Alright. So, what is the guidance for you? What is the guidance for you in love, Gemini, for the month of January? What is the guidance for you for the month of January in love? What is the guidance for you for the month of January in love? Let's find out. So the guidance here is, you need to come out of your sorrowness. You have to come out of your pain, of your hurt, of your whatever you're feeling. You're feeling depressed, you're feeling down. You need to come out of that because it's in the best of your interest. You need to come out of that, whatever you have been feeling, and take conscious decisions to change your life yourself. You cannot just keep sulking in a corner. Okay, you need to put in some effort, some actions. That's only when things will work out for you. Okay, you need to go out into the world if you want someone new in your life. You cannot sit at home and sulk and, you know, pray to God to have someone new. It's not possible. Someone new will not drop from the roof of your house. No. So you have to put in the efforts, you have to put in some sort of work at least. Alright. So that is what I have for you in love. Let's see what do we have for you in your career. What is coming towards you, Gemini, in career for the month of January? What is coming towards you in career for the month of January? What is coming towards you in career for the month of January? Okay, Gemini, let's see. What is coming towards you in career for the month of January? So you have sneaky energy to someone is sneaking their way. I mean, it's possible that someone who literally deceived you, cheated on you, who hurt you in the past is coming back around. Yes, and they will cause a lot of drama in your life somehow. They will, they will somehow initiate or trigger a lot of drama in your life. Okay, this person is like too invested. I mean, you have like started investing in your pentacles, or they were invested in their pentacles ever since you left the field, ever since you, stopped, you went in no contact or whatever. So this person is coming back around. Seven of Swords and the Nine of Wands you have here. So you've been very hurt by them, and this person is coming around. Why are they coming to you? Let's see. Why are they coming back? What is the reason? Why are they coming back? Let's find out. Why are they coming back? Let's find out. So they are coming back because they're very depressed without you. Because you are not putting enough attention on them anymore, and this is making them very, very sad that you are not at all focused on them at all. Depressed and want your attention because you are not giving them any attention anymore. Earlier they were used to getting attention from you, and now that you have turned your back on them, they want you back. Aren't we doing career reading? I'm sorry, Gemini. I'm so sorry. I started doing love. Let me pull the cards back and I'll do it again. Sorry. So heavy past energy in your reading. So definitely someone from the past is returning back. It's heavy in your energy. There was no new person there. So again it came up. That means it's very strong. What is coming towards you in your career, Gemini, for the month of January? What is coming towards you in career for the month of January? Gemini, what is coming towards you in your career for the month of January? King of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. So basically, you have to like, you are trying to build yourself. You're working on your pentacles. You have the stability this month, and also I think that you're trying to protect your stability somehow because you feel that it can get jinxed, or maybe someone will rob you of your money. I don't know why you're very scared. Why is the Seven of Wands here? Let's see, why is the Seven of Wands here? You're drawing boundaries with people so that they don't take advantage of you because you're doing well in life. Yeah, so basically some people are there to take advantage of you. Knight of Wands and the Strength is here. So basically some people just come into your life or contact you just to have the good time with you or just to take advantage of you, and therefore you are trying to stay protective of your energy. You are not investing much on them at any point of time or in any way. So that is how you're dealing with the situation. You are having all the strength to restrict yourself from, interacting with such kind of people who take advantage of you. You have gained this wisdom by being alone. You always learn by being alone. Never go down. Never, never, never. It teaches you a lot. Yeah. Let's find out more and let's see. Let's see what else is coming towards you in your career, Gemini. What else is coming towards you in your career? You're doing well. You're really doing well. Let me tell you that. What else is coming towards you in your career? A new beginning, a brand new offer, a brand new proposal, a brand new Ace of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. So you have a brand new offer coming towards you for a new beginning, a new project, or a new job offer, or a new opportunity of any sort. Whichever field you are in, you will be getting a new opportunity where you will be working with someone in collaboration or in a teamwork. Right, in a team situation, partnership, whatever you may say, but you won't be doing it alone. It will be with someone. Okay, and that will just definitely give you very good results. You have such good energy around your career. What else do you want, Gemini? Everything is so good about the career. Very nice. You're flourishing. You're glowing. Okay, I don't want to say any more cards because it's already so good in January. At least we'll see in the coming months. Let's see what is the guidance for you for the month of January for your career. Let's see. Let's quickly see, Gemini. What is the guidance for you? What is the guidance for you? So guidance here is you need to stop suppressing your ideas, your kind of methods or patterns or whatever your thought process is regarding any sort of work. You need to stop suppressing that because you need to trust your gut feeling. Your gut feeling, your inner voice will guide you. So it is right most of the time in your case because the guidance is such. You don't have to suppress it, you have to act upon it. If you are getting some sort of hunch from inside, you need to act upon it. You need to stop listening to others and listen to yourself more because the others around you are only trying to say things with respect to, in their favor, whatever works for them. But whatever works for you in your favor will be known only by you. You will know it better. So you don't have to suppress your thoughts, your ideas, your feelings regarding something. Trust your intuition, trust your gut feeling. Alright. So that was the reading for you, Gemini. I hope you enjoyed the reading. It was a pleasure connecting with you like always. I will see you soon in the next reading. Namaste.